Welcome, lovely viewers of the video channel for DigiSales. On today's video, I would like to demonstrate how we register suppliers on the software. To register a supplier is a very simple process on DigiSales. You need to register a supplier because without the details of the supplier, when you are about to register or record an stock, it is a requirement in the process, and therefore it is important, very important, to record all your suppliers' details on the system. So how do we do that? Kindly go to registration, click on supplier, click on new. A dialog box is going to open. Kindly fill in the information. The first information you are going to see is name, so you enter. The second information you are going to see is phone number. The third information you are going to see is location. The remarks you are going to provide is probably the nature of the business you have with the supplier. So in my demonstration, this supplier supplies me drinks, so you enter drinks. When you are done, you click on save to save the information you have provided to the system. Once you click save, the information is safely saved and the supplier's detail is registered in the system accurately. Thank you very much for watching this video.